All right, so for the second one, trying to create all of those extra columns. So let's do it. So for this one, we can say shift to right. Oh, sorry. So this, and this, we shift it to the right, and this, we shift it to the right. Good. So let's have this. Please mute yourself if you're in a noisy place. All right, I've muted everyone. So importance factor. Okay, good. So for this one, maybe I could be 5, could be 4, could be 3, could be 2. These are arbitrary numbers, so no big deal, okay? And then we go for a formula as usual. We say equals this times this, but make sure you put your $sign so that you can do absolute referencing. Okay, so you can stretch it down so that I can give you that formula. All right, you copy and then you paste, you paste. Good. Okay, so total score, all right, equals sum, and then you can pick this plus this plus this plus this plus this. You can close your bracket. All right, so 38, you stretch it down. Okay, so this is relative. Okay, so it will pick this and this and this and this and this for this one, and then do the same for the other one. So that's relative. Okay. All right, so from okay, this is 0. Why? It shouldn't be. Okay, something is wrong somewhere. So let's check it. Oh, imagine. So look at where it picked. It picked empty boxes. So something is wrong. So let's go back to our formula. Aha, imagine. See where we put our sum. It shouldn't be here. Our sum should actually start from here, not here. Okay, so as a data analyst, you pay attention to details because those little things can definitely count. Okay, thank God that I spotted that. So so I would highlight all of this. I'll right click. Sorry. So I'll highlight all of this. I'll right click, clear content. So all the content cleared. So it's supposed to start from here, not from here. So this is where we should put our sum. Okay. And then we can go this plus this plus this plus this plus this, close bracket. Yep. And then you can stretch it down. Good. Yep. So conditional formatting. top 10, the highest score, okay, and then the lowest, bottom 10%. Let's change the color to yellow. So in this case, it's just that 51. To be a data analyst is better than all of this, okay? Then the lowest, being a broadcaster, that's the lowest, okay? So let's copy all of this, and then let's go to insert. Let's come here, and we can come here, okay? And we can do what we did the other time. So axis titles, just as we did the other time. Total score, this, and then we can make this black, okay? And what again? So we can make this yellow. Oh, sorry. We needed this, not the whole stuff. Okay, good. So career options, and this, and this. Okay, and then we can change this to yellow, and then yep. Okay, so this, we're done with chart title. Let's do it. Total score versus career options. So this and then you can do the filling with yellow. Okay, beautiful. Yep. So you click on this. Okay, let's finish this. Let's not jump the gun. Data labels, yeah, let's have it on top. Data table, no. Grid lines, yeah, I love it. I love it, love it. The minor, the major, yep. Legend, no. Style, different styles. This. Let's go for color. Change it to yellow. Okay. And then filter, depends on you, but then just apply all. Okay. So let's do our rotation. Sorry. So make this 50. So you can see the rotation. Okay, good. What else again? What else are we doing? What else? That's okay. So select data, and let's change this horizontal axis labeling. All right. There you go. Broadcaster, blah, 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 and all of that. So let's shrink this a bit. Okay, so let's drag it. Let's drag it. Okay. So there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. All right, there you go. So let me show you something. So I've clicked on this. Let me go to File and then say Save As and say let's say Desktop, Book 1. Let's say PDF. Let me show you how it looks. Beautiful, good, beautiful. All right, but then and this also, you can come over here, Save As, Desktop, and PDF. Try to always use PDF. PDF is usually beautiful. It comes out very beautiful. So look at this. All right. So okay. All right. So let's try and just wrap things up a bit. Okay. So let me do this. Let me bold in this. All right. Good, good, good. What else can we format here? Okay. So let me do this. So I'm going to go here and sorry. So I'm going to just highlight all this data. I'm going to highlight it and go to format. Okay. I'll go to format. I'll come here, format cells. I'll come to border. Okay. I want to give it a border. So if you click this, can you see the border? You click this, can you see the border? You click this, can you see the border? You click this, and you click this, and you click this. Okay. So let's say we want to just do this, and let's say we want to just do this. Okay, just the outer border. All right. Okay, and let's come here. Come to print. All right. Now look at this. This is about how many pages now? About many pages now. Okay, so many pages, but let's do fit sheet on one page. So we want it to be on just one page. So, and then we change the landscape, we change it to landscape. Okay, all right. I don't like it this way. It's just, so let's go back and change the formatting to this. All right. So print, okay. I think this is a little better. All right. So, but I think we can even change, just do it in bits. So let's go, come here and format this. Okay, sorry. Let's return it back to what it was before. Format this, remove 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 this. Okay. All right. So let's just do for the first one. All right. And then you do this, 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 and this. Okay. And then you're good. All right. Then you come for this. You highlight this and you come here. You come here and you do this. Beautiful. Okay. So, all right, so let's go for print. I'm trying to make sure that it's having the best kind of stuff. So yeah, let's see how it looks. If we need to make any adjustment, we'll do. Save as desktop. Let's change to PDF and then save. Let's see what. Good job. Yep. So this is what, I'm sure you must have seen something like this before. You must be wondering how they did it and all of that. So this is what you get. Good, good, good. All right. So I like to put some small pepper and stuff. So I'll go to my 3D rotation and then I'll click on glow, 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 glow. I'll put on glow 21. I'll put 50. Okay, and I'll change the color to yellow or to this. Okay, then I'll come to this, same thing, 21 and 50, just to beautify it, nothing much, no big deal. All right. Yep. So let me show you how it will look. Yep, yep, yep. So PDF and then this. Yep, yep, yep. No, no. We should click out of that picture. Okay, yeah, see, you click the picture. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. PDF, PDF, PDF. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yep. So you can see that glow around here. It makes it look good. All right, so let's create a report very quickly before we run out of time. So I'm going to open my my MS Word. Open my MS Word. I need a new stuff. Blank sheet. Okay, blank sheet. Career. Career decision report. Mr. Aderuboko. Okay. All right, good. Number one, total score versus career options, set one. Okay, so I'm coming here, and I would copy this and copy this. Now, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, they are the same company, so you can always, they can interact. So beautiful. So then you can have conclusion. So as a data analyst, you should have your recommendation and conclusion going by the chart above. Mr. Aderu Boko can consider, you are making a suggestion, so be mindful of your English, can consider an engineering career. It presents opportunity for better for the best pay, work enjoyment, what else again? Work enjoyment. What are those things that we used? Work enjoyment, job market, easy job market penetration, easy job market penetration, etc. Market. Okay, good. So you can add flesh to it. I'm just trying to save time. Number two, we have this. Just trying to save time. Set 1, set 2. Okay. So let's come here, copy, and there you go. Good. So we can probably copy this. Don't worry, we'll do the necessary formatting. So going by the chart below and this and the set of career options. Going by the chart below and the set of career options, we can consider data analyst career. You present blah 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 blah. All right, good. So looks like number 2 does not want to stay on the first page. Okay, so let's take it down. All right, and then we can have this one. Maybe stretch it a bit more. Okay. Let's bolden this, and then yeah. So let's leave this set 1. Let's put in a little gap just to buy some space, and then also some gaps here just to buy. So like I told you, you can have some flesh. Just trying to look at our time. So can all right. So your conclusion. Okay, so let's give it our save as. Error report. You see how it looks on PDF. Okay, so take a look. Good. So look at how it looks on PDF. All right, good. Yep. I think let's stop it there. Let's stop it there. So questions, comments, and all of that. Okay, I just saw a message now saying you can't see very well and all of that. Could that be network or something? So, all right, so the floor is open now. Please don't draw. You know, some people are trying to, you don't have to do that. So somebody is trying to draw. Come on, stop that. Okay. Don't do any drawing, please. All right, so questions. We've got just about 7 minutes to go. Questions, questions, observation, anything you want to talk about before our time will go. Hello.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, ma.
Yes, sir. Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Sir, I came late.
Okay.
Yeah, so I came late, sir. So, but I wanted to ask if there will be a chance to watch again, maybe
Yes,
on your YouTube
I
channel
will.
or.
Yeah, I'll put a video in the group.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So this is one of the simplest thing you can ever do with Excel. So I decided to do this very simple one today because some of you might just be interacting with Excel maybe for the first time or maybe the second or the third, okay? So I needed to, you know, give you this, you know, this as a foundation, so to say. So try your hands on this, okay? Try your hands on this. Try to practice it, okay? Don't assume that by just watching it you can do it, okay? Try to practice it. All right. So questions, comments before our time would elapse.
All right, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Thank you for this opportunity. It's educating. Thank you very much. But I observed that tonight, like as the lecture is actually going on, I cannot see the pictorial this thing is not actually coming well. So when I dropped it in the chat group, so others are actually complaining to that. It's actually blur in their own end as well. So I want to ask whether the video you are sending is going to sharp so that we are going to see what is actually really going on, what you are pressing. You know, there are some things we just need to see it, not by saying,
So
we just need to see it.
at the moment,
so if the picture will actually, okay, I'm with you.
So at the moment, can you see the screen very well?
Yes, we can see the screen, but it will come up and later fade away, come and later fade away. So it's not stable. And then it's actually mostly blur.
Okay.
So presently it's okay now.
But you can see very well now, right?
Yes, very well.
Okay. I guess maybe it's network because of course I'm not changing the transparency or the light on the screen. So it's very likely that it's
Okay, all right.
Yeah. So
and then
by the time you
one
watch the
question.
video, by the time you watch the video, I think you know, you should be able to get it.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right. One thing that when you have two sheets,
please, I have
like you have two different sheets.
Please, if you have more than two
videos. So we want to bring the data.
Hello.
Is another person coming up?
Okay, so continue. Okay.
Please just give me a minute to take this.
Okay.
All right, thank you. So if you have two sheets and then you want to actually transfer a particular data from the first sheet down to the other sheet.
Mm.
So without actually replicating it or maybe copy it. So you want, okay, or let me say, when you fill a particular sheet in what is it called? In sheet 1. So there will be a reflection in sheet 2.
Okay, so now, for example, you have this sheet 1, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So, please, can you, some people's background is just too noisy. So if you want to, if you are the person who has a question, unmute yourself, okay? While others, I mean, I've muted others. So, but the person who is asking the question, in as much your background is not noisy, you can unmute yourself so that we can talk, okay? So, for example, if you have this on sheet 1, all right, and you want it to be on sheet 2, okay, you can always right click, okay, and you can try to make a copy, all right, of whatsoever that you have in sheet 1 and transfer it to the other sheet that you want it to go to, okay?
Hello.
Did you get me?
Yes, I think I understand this. Like I will just copy from one sheet to the other.
Yeah, and
This is not what I'm actually talking about.
you may not copy. Look at this. Look at my cursor.
Okay.
So you can make a copy of, you can make a copy of everything here. You understand? You don't need to say Control C. Just come here and do.
Okay, can I say something? Maybe you didn't get what I'm saying very well. Like
Okay.
we have a sheet. There is a particular column. Are you getting me now?
Mm.
Okay, let's say in the first sheet, maybe the sum of the amount of, let's say the total sum of the salary of a worker is being sum up to a particular sheet.
Okay.
And then in another sheet, there is maybe a kind of leave bonus in the other sheet. And then there is a way to calculate that leave bonus in which we would need the total amount that is in the first sheet. So without even copying, as they are entering the data, and then the total amount is reflecting, which we are going to use the summation, whatever, for. So as it's reflecting, there is a way that once it reflects, it will show up in the other sheet.